HUIS or garden house, rests quietly between park and garden in Ghent, Belgium. Conceived as a woodworking studio, this humble pavilion doubles as a compact home, a shelter crafted of concrete, timber, and glass, deeply rooted in nature. The volume is a simple rectangular pavilion, grounded on a robust concrete base. Tree-like concrete columns branch out overhead, supporting a delicate timber roof under the park's canopy. Full-height windows on the garden side blur inside and outside, while timber screens offer warmth and rhythm. A hybrid structure. Concrete columns and beams form the primary skeleton. Timber joists span between, holding up a light roof clad in wood beneath the trees. The shell is minimal, no heavy insulation. Just honest materials expressing structure directly. A single open-plan space integrates studio, kitchen, and living. The layout remains flexible, ready for future uses: workshop, guest house, or garden retreat. A semi-hidden service volume accommodates storage and utilities, keeping the main space uncluttered. Clear-story windows bring light deep into the studio, while full glazing frames garden and park views. Natural daylight emphasizes textures, a bright, calm interior that evolves with the sky. Materials are minimal and honest. Raw concrete, warm timber, exposed brick or stone floors, and expansive glass. This natural palette echoes the surrounding greenery, creating quietly powerful harmony. Interiors are stripped back and serene. White curtains, clean cabinetry, light furniture, and greenery. Functional simplicity lets the architecture and changing daylight take center stage. The original lawn and firs become a green extension of the park, with minimal intervention. The plot is porous. Grass flows beneath the pavilion and trees arch overhead. HUIS is architecture in pause, a delicate frame cast in concrete and timber, rooted in nature's quiet breath. It's a space for many futures. A studio, a guest house, a place to simply be. Here, structure meets serenity. Nature becomes home.